It's Dr. Molliver. We're going to have a quick class. Hang in there. Maybe some of you have heard about exosomes. People put it on skin and do microneedling, or maybe after a chemical peel to help wounds heal faster. But do you know what exosomes are? So, exosomes are tiny extracellular vesicles released by cells that act like messengers, carrying proteins, lipids, RNA between cells to promote healing and regeneration. Exosomes are naturally secreted by almost all cell types in the body. They most commonly come from mesenchymal stem cells, specifically from umbilical cord tissue, amniotic fluid, placenta, bone marrow, or adipose tissue. But where does that come from? And these are done at spas and dermatology offices and plastic surgeons' offices, and they buy these ampules of exosomes, and they say, the providers say, oh, it's got 1 million units per cc or something like that. But all of this comes from either animals or a pool of humans that then comes to you and is put on your face, on your wounds to help heal and rapidly heal things. Now let's compare that to secretomes. Understanding secretomes. Secretomes are produced by living cells. So they take cells that come from the same places, umbilical cord cell or fat tissue or other tissue, and it's all of the stuff that comes out of cells in a lab where it's plated out and grown or nurtured and everything that comes out of it. Most commonly used in regenerative medicine and aesthetics are secretomes from, and these are kind of all the same, but again, they're pooled almost all the time. So when you get this stuff, it's been through a lot of people or a lot of animals to finally get to you. Presumably sterilized and checked for every diseases, but not always. So other cell types can produce secretomes, and that's what I've talked to you previously about acorn. So what we do in our office now is we harvest hair follicles, maybe 50 of the several 100,000 you have, and we send them overnight express to a special lab where they take out the bulb of the hair follicle and they plate them out and they grow them for 2 months, and then they send you back 12 vials of your own secretomes. So these are cells that have expressed all these great stuff, growth factors and cytokines, and exosomes are included in that, and protein, peptides, and lipids, and nucleic acids, all this great stuff that works synergistically to influence cell behavior, tissue repair, immune response, and collagen synthesis. And that together on an open wound, after a laser resurfacing, after a chemical peel, is going to improve and make your wound healing much more rapid and healthier. And so when we do the acorn process, you've got 12 vials that you can use up to 18 months, every 4 weeks, every 6 weeks, every 8 weeks. They're yours, they belong to you, they came from your body, not a pool of a whole bunch of other people that you don't know, and not a bunch of different animals. Much healthier, much safer, and much, much, much more effective. It's not going to get rejected by your body at all. So, very cool stuff. Exosomes versus secretomes. Secretomes combines all the stuff, all the good stuff that's coming out of cells, rather than exosomes, which are coming just a small portion of that, and oftentimes from lots of different sources.